Hi, everybody. Today is June 29th, and we only have one day left, today and tomorrow, getting ready and getting prepped for our really exciting 40-day journey. And again, I'm thankful and humbled that some of you have reached out and said that you're going to join me on this. And I really look forward to July 1st. And you're also caught me on a day when I don't have any appointments out of the office, so the old baseball t-shirt is what you get today. Today, I'm going to ask you to do a couple of things. And to kind of recap what got us here is, we talked about that science piece connecting our behaviors, attitude, and emotion. And now if we're really going to make a significant behavioral change, we have to really work on where our emotional composition is at. We also talked about setting that powerful intention and targeting what we're looking at. We'll talk a shade more about that in just a second. And then we also talked about that kind of healing piece that goes along with this journey. No matter where you're at, I talked to my partner about that yesterday. No matter where you're at, man, everybody's got a little bit of hurt about something. Something. Doesn't have to be big, doesn't have to be giant, but everybody's got a little bit of hurt. So, you know what? Let's take this 40-day journey and heal some of that hurt and get that off the table and get in an absolutely terrific spot moving ahead. So I told you I was going to ask you to do a couple things today. First of all, I need you to make an investment. Now, my investment was, I think, 89 cents. My partner's investment was more. But, and I'm going to introduce the dreaded J word to you. We're going to journal our approach. I know that some of you, that word alone just makes you nuts. And as we move forward, I'll tell you a little bit about the practice that I use that's worked out best for me. But my investment was a 99 cent or $1 and something spiral notebook at Walgreens. My partner has a beautiful one with a kind of like a leather covery thing and things like that. Bottom line is, it doesn't matter. And the only thing I want you to do is acquire that right now. Write the first entry of July 1st, 2016, and then close that up. We're done. That is going to be where we're at in terms of your journal and journaling. I'll also tell you a little bit later about how I migrated mine into a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, because right now that's what works for me. And the other thing I'm going to ask you to do today is really go back to something we talked about yesterday, and that is kind of powerfully set your intention and kind of what you want to manifest and what you want to grow out there and what kind of better outcomes you want. Whether that's work related, whether that's financial, whether that's family, whether that's relationship, whether that's your physical health, maybe an athletic event that is coming up for you. I know a lot of my friends are into the Tough Mudder series and, into some endurance things, but to really set and lock into that intent that we want to make work better. So for today, those are the two things I want you to really focus in on, is acquiring that journal, put today's date in it, and also let's lock into that intention set. What do you want to do? What do you want to get out of this 40-day journey? Because that target and keeping that target in our forefront is going to be really important for us. One more prep day left, and that's going to get us set for Friday, July 1st, and our launch into this great 40-day journey that we're going to take together. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.